angels, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and welcome. How have you guys been? How was your weekend? Anyways, today we're gonna be talking about the let me show you, then the Carmi MUA palette. This is there is this guy called Carmi, and he's a YouTuber and an influencer and whatnot. But he collaborated with Makeup Revolution, which everybody knows is like my best brand. So this is it. It's so beautiful. That's the pack it came in. So I've already removed it. The shades are literally at the back as well. But yeah. Then it's here. The palette is cruelty free. It's 12 months shelf life. It doesn't say if it's vegan or not, but I don't know. It's got a net weight of 1.3 grams for six of the pans. Then 0.65 grams for the other ones. And this is what it looks like. You guys will be surprised. Well, not really surprised, but yeah. Sorry, I remove this. It's so beautiful, isn't it? What do you guys think? I think it's so pretty. So I cannot wait to play with this. It's got foils, it's got matte shades. Alright, it's got 6 foils, it's got 4 shimmers, 1 satin, and it's got 9 mattes. So altogether it's like, so basically it's about 20. But it's beautiful. I don't care what anybody says, this is beautiful. So anyways, I've already gotten my eyebrows done, so I'm just gonna prime my eyes. So I'm gonna be priming my eyes with this. This is the Revolution Prime and Lock. So it's just the eye primer. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with Camo. That is this one right here. Oh, I should go with dark side. I don't know yet. Alright, I'll go with Camo first, and we'll see. I'm gonna go into the shade Addicted, actually. This one here. There's not really like enough matte shades, so I just have to make do. I'm going to Addicted. It's like a camel color, so I'm gonna add that here. Now I'm going to overcome like I planned earlier, which is this one here. I'm going to overcome first. Okay, then I will blend that together. I'll be using my previous brush with no product on it. Then I will blend it. Okay, I'm going to Addicted. That will be this one. And I put that right on top. I would replicate that over there, then I'll be right back. Anyways, I am now going to cut my crease. I'm gonna be doing like a sort of, I'm gonna be doing some sort of a halo eye today. No, actually I'll go into this pink shade here. I will add Camo, which is this green one here. I'll add that here. Alright, I'll be applying this. This is the eye glisten. So I'll be applying the glitter part on the top corner. I'll be using it as a liner basically. Okay, I'm gonna go get my lashes on, get the rest of my face done, then I'll be right back to tell you guys my final thoughts. Okay, I'm back. I'm loving the way this is looking because, like, are you guys seeing the glow though? Oh, sorry. This palette is beautiful. As in, the color selection is great. There's a lot of blues, there's a lot of metallics, there's foil. Maybe I don't know how to use foils, but it's a bit difficult to put this, you know, because as you can see, I've used the foil a lot just to do the ink on the top, but it's a bit difficult to use the foils because, like, when you use your fingers, it's okay, it's perfect, right? But when you apply with a brush, it's actually quite difficult. I found it quite difficult, so I don't know. It's not really a problem because you're still able to use it, but obviously, as in, I'd rather have shimmers that is easier for me to use than to have foils that is difficult to apply. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. Anyways, but aside from that, there wasn't actually much fallout, you know. Now that I'm thinking about it, as in, while I was using the matte, there wasn't, like, it was literally not a lot, or maybe I've gotten so good to using matte. I don't know, maybe it's just that, but I don't know. There wasn't much fallout, as in, and it blended quite well. I don't know if you guys can see this, like, it blended very well. And I applied some of the foil. I actually applied the foil on my lips. I think I mixed this one here, which is the Self-Made, and Integrity. So I mixed the two of them and they gave me this. So I am loving that. So in conclusion, I love the palette. I actually do. I really like the palette, as in, it's Makeup Revolution, as in, they are my favorite brand for a reason. I actually really like the product a lot. The palette is really great, aside from me not knowing how to use foil. So I guess that's me, or maybe there's a way to use it. I don't know how, but I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. Anyways, aside from that, this palette is really nice. As in, congratulations to you, Carmi. You really deserve it. I've been watching you for a very long time, and you're beautiful. I love you. You're great. So congratulations to Makeup Revolution as well. You guys, as in, you guys are doing really well. So I have to say that. So congrats to you guys. Aside from that, I love this palette. It's really great. It's really beautiful. I feel like I can create it. Colorful looks, like really nice looks. And mind you, I use Tammy's palette as well, which I still love. Like, whenever I'm going for my colorful looks, that's my go-to palette, aside from my Morphe. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you like my video, please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If there is anything you guys want to tell me, if you want to, as in, tell me what you think of this look, please write that in the comment section. I would endeavor to reply. I try to reply as much as I can, and if you guys cannot get through to me by that, you can always check me out on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and Snapchat, I think. I don't know. But anyways, check me out and I reply. So thank you so much for watching, and remember, keep living and keep doing you. Ciao.